Dear friends, welcome to my channel Enjoy Learning. Till now I have told you many interesting phrases, and today also I am here to present before you another set of exquisite phrases that will definitely turn you into a keynote speaker. Keynote means a perfect English speaker. If you are viewing my video for the first time and are eager to learn more words and phrases, then you must watch the preceding parts of this video, whose link is given in the description box. If you are having an eager want to enhance your English speaking skills, then you must watch this video till the end. So let's begin with the phrase of the day, which is go back to the drawing board. It means to start again. How you can use it in a sentence is depicted below. If you fail in an attempt, instead of giving up, you should go back to the drawing board with a zealous spirit. Zealous means full of enthusiasm and hopefulness. The second phrase is, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. It means to turn something negative into positive. The example is, she tried to live by the motto, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade, and now she is leading a prosperous life. So you should always be positive and optimistic. The third phrase is, build castles in the air. It means to hope for something that has very little chances of happening, means that is nearly impossible. So, one should not build castles in the air and be realistic. The fourth phrase is, make hay while the sun shines. It means to make good use of the opportunity before it lasts, before it ends. So, example is, we have got few days off, so let's make hay while the sun shines and complete our course before it's high time, means before it's too late. Let's come to the fifth and the last phrase, which is like two peas in a pod. It means it refers to things or people who are very similar to each other. The example is, best friends are like two peas in a pod who are always there to support and cheer up each other. Best friends are really so. So, nice to tell that the next video that I am going to make is of figures of speech. So, subscribe my channel and be updated with the latest videos. I hope you find this video supportive and beneficial. So, please like and share, and do mention your valuable suggestions in the comment box. Take care. Thank you.